In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the last row with data in any particular column. So we'll create a subroutine, and we'll just call it sub column last row. And we're going to create a variable called range last row as, and we'll set it as an integer. So if we go range last row equals cells rows count, and now as you see up here we can input the particular column we want, and in this case we're going to just put in column A and Excel up row. So this variable should return the number 6. So we'll create a message box and we'll get that message box to return the value of range last row. And we'll give it a go. 6. 6. If we change this to B, we will get 10. And finally, column C, 16. And that's it. How to find the last row with data in any particular column. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this.